Welcome to Business Sensor ERP. This tutorial will guide you through how to create and manage individual profiles for clients, customers, and vendors. First, let's create a customer profile. Once the software loads, go to the List module and select Customer Setup. The Customer List interface will appear. Click on Add New. The Client Setup form will pop up. Start by entering the client's full name. Next, choose a group or client category. You can select from the drop-down or click Add New to create a new one. Then, select the customer mode from the drop-down. Ensure to choose the registration department responsible for registering the client. Next, fill out other necessary details, such as phone number and home address. Once all fields are filled, click Save, then close the form. Refresh the client list to see the new profile added. To edit a customer profile, click the Edit icon next to the name. The form will reopen with the customer's details. Make your changes, then click Save. To create a new customer category, stay in the List module and select Client Category. Then, fill the form. We'll create a category called VIP. Click Save to add it. Now let's create a new customer under the VIP category. In the Group field, enter VIP from the drop-down. Once all fields are filled, click Save, then close the form. Refresh the client list to see the new profile added. Now, let's create a vendor profile. From the List module, select Vendor Setup. Click on Add New. The Vendor Setup form will appear. Fill in all required fields, starting with the vendor name, then continue with the rest. In the Account Information section, if your company owes the vendor, input a negative opening balance. If the vendor owes you, just enter the amount without the minus sign. Click Save to complete the vendor registration. Then close the form. Refresh the vendor list to see the new profile added. To edit a vendor profile, click the Edit icon next to the name. The form will reopen with the vendor's details. Make your changes, then click Save. Navigate to the Account Report module, then click on the Vendor Ledger tab. Once the Vendor Ledger list opens, you'll see that the software has automatically generated a ledger for the newly created vendor. This confirms that your vendor setup is now complete and ready for transactions. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full hotel ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.